Welcome to the Forces simulation. In this activity, you'll take different objects and place them at different locations on a teeter-totter. The teeter-totter consists of a board supported in the middle by a fulcrum and on either end by a pillar. Select and drag one fire extinguisher to a location on the board and a different extinguisher to the opposite side of the board. Select the Remove Supports option on the bottom of the screen to remove the pillars supporting both ends of the board. Choose the Support option again to replace the pillars below the board. Choose the Ruler option under the Position menu to measure the location of any object on the board. Selecting the Forces from Objects option under the Show menu displays the forces due to each object acting on the board. Choose the orange Reset button on the bottom right side of the screen to return the screen to its original state.